Hi students, in the previous class we have discussed about area and area of the triangle, area of the parallelogram, right? But half of the product of its base and height, this all we have discussed. And now in the today's session we are going to discuss about, that is, circle, its area and the boundary of a circle. Boundary of a circle, as for the other figures we call it as perimeter, but here we call it as circumference. Let us see that what is circumference of a circle, area of a circle, how to calculate. Here you can see the circle. The circle figure is, you are observing figure circle, and you have some parts in that which is diameter and center, radius, circumference. Here you can see a circle is a group of all points in a plane that are the same distance from a fixed point. The fixed point is called the center of the circle. The distance across a circle through its center is called diameter, and it is denoted by d. The distance from the center to any point on the circle is called its radius, and it is denoted by r. Here you are seeing a circle. O is the center of the circle and OA is the radius. From center of the circle to any point on the circle is called radius. So OA is the radius, and a line segment which is passing through its center from both the ends, that is CD, that is called diameter of the circle. So we have seen a line segment joining the center of a circle to any point on the circle is called radius. In the figure, OA is the radius. A radius is generally denoted by r. A line segment passing through the center of a circle with its end points lying on the circle is called diameter of the circle. It's generally denoted by d. We can see CD is the diameter of the circle, just now we have seen, and its diameter is always double of its radius. So diameter is equals to 2 times of its radius, and radius will be half of the diameter. So diameter is equals to 2 into radius, that is diameter. The perimeter of a circle is called the circumference, and it is denoted by c. So the total length, boundary of a circle is called circumference of a circle. How to find the circumference of a circle? Let us see a small experiment. Here I am taking a circular shape like a ball, which is a circular. Even you can take a bangle or anything. You see the circle. This is I am taking the circular region. You are able to see the mark which is in the circle shape. This is the circle shape, right? Actually this is a ball, but I am showing with the ball. When I rotate, see here, this is circle edge, right? So when I rotate these two, when I rotate this circle exactly from one point to the other place, till I am marking this place, here you see. So here I started, I am rotating in the circular like this till it reached to the same position again. So I rotated, so like this. Then when it comes to this position, the total length it is travelled from that end to this point is, if you measure with the scale or measure with the thread, that is called circumference of the circle, the total length of the boundary of a circle. If you take a bangle that you rotate from one end to the other end and measure it with the thread or scale, that length is called circumference. So the experiment, even you can try with this, a circle of radius like Draw three circles of different radii in your notebook as shown in the figure. 3 centimeters, 2 centimeter and 4 centimeter. So three different circles. And now, using the thread, measure the circumference and diameter with the scale. Using the thread, measure the circumference and diameter with a scale. In each case, divide the circumference by the diameter. We will find circumference by diameter C by D. There is a constant value which we call it as pi. And the value this constant lies between 3.1 to 3.2. This constant is represented by the symbol pi. Read as pi. And for practical purpose, we take the value pi as 22 by 7 or approximately 3.14. However, its value up to 5 decimal places is given. So C by D is equals to constant, where C by D is equals to pi, that is pi value. So circumference of a circle is pi into D, which is diameter, or circumference of a circle is equals to pi into 2r, as diameter is 2 times of its radius. So C is equals to 2 pi r. So circumference of a circle is 2 into pi into r, that is 2 pi r. Look at this. Circumference of a circle which is total length of this boundary. So this boundary length, this is called as circumference of a circle, and this diameter which is passing through the center. So circumference of a circle is denoted by C. Practically, when we involve the practical, like 2 centimeter radius, 3 centimeter radius, 4 centimeter radius, if you do practically, the ratio of the circumference of a circle C and the diameter D, the ratio is a constant value approximately every time we are getting. That is 3.1 or 3.2, in between 3.1 and 3.2. So it is a constant. So constant is denoted by pi. So C by D is equals to pi. C by D, ratio between C and D is pi. So transpose this as we learned. So C is equals to pi into D. C is equals to pi into D, where C is equals to pi into diameter is 2 times of its radius. So 2r as diameter is equals to 2 into r, you can write. Therefore, first we write number 2 pi r. First we write as C is equals to 2 pi r. That is, so C is equals to 2 pi r. Therefore, circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, or you can write pi d. Both you can write either 2 pi r or pi d. You can, if you know the diameter, pi into d, or if you know the radius, 2 times, that is pi r. This is circumference of a circle. So let us see one example with this circumference of a circle. Example: find circumference of a circle with diameter 7 centimeters. With diameter 7 centimeters, we are going to find circumference of the circle. Circumference of a circle of diameter 7 centimeters. So here, diameter of the circle, diameter D is equals to 7 centimeters is given. As we know that circumference of a circle is either you can use pi d or 2 pi r. If you know the diameter, pi into d, and the value of pi, you see here, the value of pi is always, which is equals to pi, which is 22 by 7 or approximately 3.14 we will be using. The constant is pi, which is 22 by 7 or 3.14. So D is equals to 7 centimeters, and circumference, that is C is equals to pi D. So C is equals to 22 by 7 into 7. You may be getting doubt why we are using 7. If they mention in the question either 7 or 20 pi value 22 by 7, you have to use the same. If not, if they give 3.14, use the same. If nothing is mentioned, then we take 22 by 7. So 7 and 7 months, which is equals to 22 centimeters. Therefore, circumference of the circle is 22 centimeters. So pi is an approximate value, which is exact ratio. We always get 3.14, 3.1, 3.2 between. So that is fixed as 22 by 7. So it is the ratio constant. Pi value is constant. So circumference of the circle C, as we know the diameter. I hope you understood. Now we will find area of the circle. So area of the circle, to find area of the circle, first circle is divided into sectors. Circle is divided into sectors as equal sectors. So here the figure is divided into 24 equal sectors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the sectors have been arranged. You see, clearly you can observe that sectors have been, how it has been arranged. So with this, practically we can find area of the circle. Area of the circle. You can observe now area of the circle. Circle is divided into some sectors. Here, as it is shown before figure, it is 24, and now here the parts are divided 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sectors. So divided into 8 sectors. You see, this is the half of the circle. Observe it. This is half, and the leftover is half. Another one is half. Right? So when I arrange it, like first part, second part, third, fourth, like this. First I am taking the first sector and I am arranging it as like this. So this is the first sector. Now second part I am cutting and pasting like this. Second sector. This is first, second, and third sector. Now again I am pasting like this. This is third sector. Then fourth sector. This is fourth sector. So 4, and this is fifth sector. See here, 5. Then again I am pasting this. That is 6, and here it is 7th sector. Then again the leftover is 8th sector. Like this, 8 sectors. I just cut each sector. I cut and paste in this shape. In that shape. Observe it. You can see the circumference here. This total circumference is this side. Total circumference is, this is 2 pi r. So C is equals to 2 pi r. Half we are taking. So half of C is equals to half into 2 pi r, which is equals to pi r. Which is equals to pi r. Now you see the outer part. If you check it, the outer part, this draw like, imagine like this, and you see it is appearing as a parallelogram. So circumference, when you are pasting these sectors into half upper part and half lower part. So this length is nothing but circumference of this half of the circle. So this length became as pi r. And the shape, which shape we are getting? Yes, exactly, that is a parallelogram. And you see the height. From here you can say that this is the radius. Even this is also radius. So this is r. So this is height is radius. Height is radius. So parallelogram. This is pi r. Length is pi r, and the height became as r. That is the radius. This is pi r total length, and this is also length. And parallelogram base into height. Ask area of the parallelogram. Area of rectangle is equals to area of parallelogram. Area of rectangle is equals to area of parallelogram, which is, now the base we are considering length So base we are taking as pi r, height we are taking height as radius. So area of the parallelogram is equals to base into height, which is equals to pi r into r. But from which shape we got? Circle region we pasted like this. Circular region only we cut as a sectors and we pasted. I have got the shape as a parallelogram. So area of this parallelogram is equals to area of this circle. So pi r into r, pi r square. So therefore area of the circle is equals to pi r square units. So this is area of the circle. Pi r square. I hope you understood area of the circle. Let us see one example to find area of the circle. Find area of the circle whose radius is 7 centimeters. So radius is 7 centimeters. We have to find area of the circle. So radius r is equals to 7 centimeters. Area of the circle pi r square units. So 22 by 7 into r square means 7 square. The meaning you see 7 square means not 7 into 2, that is 7 into 7. So 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. So 7 ones the 7. 22 into 1, 22 into 7, which is 154 by 1, not necessary, centimeter square. Therefore area of the circle is equals to 154 centimeter square. Like this we will find it. Area between two concentric circles, or you can say area of circular path, or we say area of the circular region, or sometimes we say circular ring. Here you see, you are able to see the figure. Circles having the same center are called concentric circles. Circles with the same center are called concentric circles. In this figure you can see outer circle A has a radius capital R and inner circle B has a radius small r. Both the circles A and B have the same center O, hence these are called concentric circles. So concentric circles, if you see, the area between these two circles has been shaded from this figure. It is clear that area of the concentric circles, you can find out area of the outer circle minus area of the inner circle. Let us see that. So as area of the concentric circles or area of the circular path or area of the shaded portion, that is outer circle, the capital, because the outer circle radius is more than the inner circle, that is denoted by capital R, and smaller circle radius is denoted by small r. They both are concentric circles, means just now we discussed which have the same center. Circles with the same center, they are called concentric circles. So OA is the radius of the outer circle. Radius of outer circle is capital R. So area of outer circle, which is, as we know, area of the circle is pi r square. As the radius is capital R, so pi r square. Radius of the smaller area of inner circle, inner or smaller, we can say inside it is smaller circle. So pi small r square. Now to get the area of this shaded portion, yes, clearly it is visible that area of outer circle minus area of the inner circle. So area of shaded region, shaded or part, area of shaded or part, area of shaded region or circular path. We can say area of circular path or shaded region. Area of circular region path, circular path or shaded region. Clearly we can say that we will obtain by area of outer circle minus area of inner circle, minus area of inner circle. It is area of outer circle minus inner circle. So which is equals to area of outer circle is pi capital R square, that is area of outer circle, minus area of inner circle is pi small r square. So now you can see in both the places we have pi is common, so we can write pi into capital R square minus small r square units. Sometimes even you can say that pi is equals to pi into this. Actually you will be learning in the further session, that is a square minus b square in higher section. This could be written better safe side, even we write this also r plus r into r minus r. You can use this formula pi into r square minus r square, but sometimes even it will be easy to you to calculate pi into capital R plus small r and capital R minus small r. This is area of the circular region or shaded portion. Now you see from here to here we call it as smaller radius, but only this is extended part. So sometimes radius of outer circle is is equals to width plus, this we call it as width, radius of inner circle plus radius of inner circle plus width of the path to get. Sometimes they will be giving inner radius and width of the path, then you can find out Indian radius of the outer circle, that is capital R. This is capital R. Inner radius of inner circle plus width of the path. So capital R is equals to small r plus width, if you denote with W, r plus W. I hope you understood how to find area of the circular region, that is a path or shaded region. Let us see exercise 11.3. Question number 1. Find the circumference of a circle with the radius is given and use pi value 22/7 in that digit. Question number 1, be with me early. Radius is equals to 28 millimeters and pi value you have to use 22/7. So solution radius is equals to radius r is equals to 28 millimeters. Circumference you are finding circumference, that is c is equals to 2 pi r. 2 pi r. Pi value is 22/7. So 2 into 22/7 into r. R value is given as 28. So this is units, as it is will come millimeters. If it is millimeters, if it is centimeters, we write as centimeters. If it is meters, we write as meters. 7 ones, 7 fours are 28. So 2 into 22, 44, 44 into 4, 4 fours are 16, 4 fours are 16 plus 1, 70. So 176 millimeters. Therefore, circumference of a circle is 176 millimeters. 176 millimeters. Now in question number 2, so like this we will find, if they give directly diameter, you can use the formula as pi d. Let us see the question number 2. Find area. Pi is equals to 22 by 7 whose diameter is given as 49 millimeters. So 49 meters is given. So here diameter is given and you are finding area. So diameter D is equals to 49 meters. To find area of the circle we require radius. So how to find radius? Radius is half of the diameter. Radius R is equals to D by 2, which is 49 by 2 meters. Let it be like that only. While simplification we can simplify that 49 by 2. Area of the circle which is pi r square units. Pi r square units, that is area of the circle. So pi 22 by 7 into radius is 49 by 2 square centimeter meter square, because units are given as meters. So 22 by 7 into 49 by 2 is nothing but 49 by 2 whole square means 49 by 2 into 49 by 2. So 49 by 2 into 49 by 2. So 7 table, 7 ones, 7 sevens are 49. 2 table, 2 11s. So which is 11 into 7, 77. 77 into 49 by 1 into 2. This is cancelled with 2. 1 into 2, 2. So this is equals to, that is 77 into 49 if you multiply. 77 into 49. So 49 into 77. 7 nines are 63. 7 fours are 28 plus 6, 33. Again 3, 3, 3. 3, 6, 6, 3. So 49. 7 nines are 63. 7 nines are 63. 6. 7 fours are 28 plus 6, 34. Sorry, 34. So 34. This is 3773. So 3773 by 2. If you divide this, then you will get. So here I am doing the division with 2. 3773. With 2, if you divide 2 ones, so 1. Bring down 7. 2 8s are 16. Bring down 7. 2 8s are 16. 1. Bring down 3. 2 6s are 12. 1 put point and 0. 2 5s are 10. So 1886.5, which is equals to 1886.5 meters square. Therefore, area of the circle is equals to 1886.5 meter square. So like this we find area of the circle as well as circumference of the circle. I hope you understood. So like this we find circumference and area, and further we will be discussing more practical questions which are related to our daily life. Fencing, if the garden is in a circular shape, how much wire of length is required for fencing, and to make the garden neat, what is the cost to find area of that meter square. Charges are given and what is the total cost. These are real life situations, practical and application questions are there in this exercise. Let us discuss again those in the next session. I hope you understood. Thank you.